Hello and welcome to a new video tutorial of SiteGround. My name is Mauricio and today I will be showing you how to solve the problem failed to write on disk. Let's begin. First of all, we need to understand that this problem can be caused for two reasons. Number one, maybe because you don't have enough space in your server for new uploads, or because some of your folders in the server don't have the right permissions. So how can we solve this? Step number one. In order to check if we have enough space, go to your SiteGround account and click in Services. Then, in your selected plan, click on the Manage button. And then click on the Statistics link. In the first graphic, you will see how much space you have left in your server. As you can see in this example, my server is almost empty. If your server is full, you have two options. One, upgrade your SiteGround account to have more space, or delete unnecessary files from your sites. Solution number two, let's check the file permissions. Go to your SiteGround account and click in the Site Tools of your website. Once in the dashboard, click in the File Manager in the Site menu. By default, all your files and directories in your WordPress installation should have a file permission of either 744 or 755. To check this, right-click in the WP Content folder and select Change Permissions. The dialog window will show the current permissions for the selected folder. If it's not 744 or 755, change it and don't forget to click in the recursive checkbox to include all the subfolders. Click in the Confirm button and everything should be working fine again. That's all. I hope this solution helps you to solve the problem. Thank you and good luck.